Hi, I'm Kate with For the Love, and today we are going to be talking about helping verbs in our Learning to Write program. To get started, I click on the topic in my table of contents. Here is a teacher list of lots of different helping verbs that you can use as you build your anchor charts or instruct your students. And here is a page that you could give to your students. It tells what a helping verb is, what its job is, and then gives examples. Here is the student interactive page where students are given a noun or a pronoun. They are going to use a helping verb and then the verb after it. There's an explanation at the top. It says helping verbs are verbs that come before an action verb to add information to the sentence. Helping verbs need to match the subject of the sentence, the singular, plural, or pronouns, and the tense to describe when the action happens. This is something you are going to have to explicitly teach to your students as you are going through this page. This is the information giving part of the lesson. The sentence practice is really when students apply what they have learned here. So here is an example of how you could fill it out. Notice there are lots of different helping verbs, and there are endless ways to combine them, mix them up to make sentences that tell us different things. Here is where students do their sentence practice. I have given some sample helping verbs and some sample action verbs as well as subjects. The articles are there if students need them. Again, you can have your students use these that are here, or you can build a classroom word bank based on what you are learning in science or social studies. The mechanics checklist is there to ensure that students are practicing those good habits of starting sentences with a capital letter, ending with punctuation, leaving spaces between their words, and that their words are spelled correctly, especially given they have a word bank. Okay, that is it for helping verbs.